Okay, problem number 11, container with most water. So this problem asks us to find the maximum area of the rectangle, and the given numbers will be a list of heights, and the elements will be 8, and the index will be the length of this rectangle. Okay, so our goal is basically finding the maximum area of this rectangle, and so that we don't have any overflow water, or we don't have so that we don't have any like small a rectangle that cannot enough to contain the water. Okay, so basically we are trying to find the max area, and our goal is using the best term complexity, and our worst term complexity will be big O of n, and the space complexity will be big O of 1. That will be our goal. Okay, so we have a function called max area, and we will uh, pass height as the parameter, and then the list will be integer list, and we will return the area. Okay, so we're going to need area 0 from left equal to 0, right equal to the length of height and minus. All right, we're going to run the as long as left is not equal to the right, then we will traverse. So when we traversed, if the height from the left is less than height from the right, then we will have to increment the left so that we can have a maximum area. If the right, and then if this if statement is not true, then the right has to decrement, because the right will be um, less than the left. Okay, so after that, um, once we have the maximum height and maximum length, we will have to calculate the area. So we want the maximum area. So what that means is basically we will compare against the previous area and the current area. So this will be our uh, previous area every time we calculate the area, and we will compare against the current area, which is right here. And that will be length, height time length, right? But in this case, the height has to be a minimum. What that means is basically right here, if you look at this, if the height that we have is if the height is 8, right, the highest one, if we can trying to contain here, then the water will overflow. So we will so that's why we have to pick the right height, right? So, and once we pick that height, it will be contain the water will contain, and it won't overflow, and it will be enough big enough maximum area. Okay, so the min will be height and left from height right. Okay, so after that, length is the difference of right minus left index. So that will be our solution. And let's see if our uh, input will, this list number will output the right answer, the right max area. Oh, we forgot to return. So what that means is return area. Okay. So there you go. One. That's our solution. And as always, because of the while loop, we have big O of n time complexity, and we don't use any extra uh, da- data storage like another list or another dictionary or set. So time complexity, space complexity will be O of 1.